going on, guys? Welcome back into the channel. Got another video for you today. This will just be a quick one. I have a time lapse I'm getting ready to put up of me pulling the engine out. This is a 2021 Ram 3500 6.7 Cummins that had the common push rod slash lifter failure. This customer elected to go with a complete long block replacement due to the amount of carbon that is built up in this engine. I unfortunately couldn't offer the customer a warranty if we went ahead and did the Hamilton flat tappet conversion. So we've got new long block engine here from D&J Precision Machine. This is a very nice, looks like a really high quality build. This is their heavy haul long block. Comes with bolt-in freeze plugs, updated billet front cover. Comes already with an oil filter, pre-lubed with 12 quarts of break-in oil, new rocker box. Already comes with the ARP head studs, and then this already has the Hamilton flat tappet conversion completed. So this is back to the pre-19 4th gen Cummins valve train, which is much more reliable. Get back to the old school reliability that everyone's used to with the Cummins name. So I just wanted to give a quick overview here. Got the old one out. The old one's here. Getting all the parts swapped over from this one onto the new long block. So we'll go ahead and get everything switched over on this one. As you can see, nice billet timing cover here. Really did a good job with this one. I like this engine. Comes with a 2-year, 100,000 mile parts and labor warranty. So we'll get this put in for the customer and see how it goes.